Seen all I'm on is saying la 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 la. I mean la luna la 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 la.
Good press. Number 81, carrying the ball. Almost falling. Number 11. Number 81 for a floater. MBHS now has the ball. Setting the play. Intercepted. But they still have the ball possession. Driving down the lane. Floater spins. It's good. Time check, 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining in our first quarter. MS for the Ben! Number 9. MS has the ball now. Number 15. The number 0. Inside the basket, layup is good. Nice save by number 6. 37. 24. 40. Ben! 47. MMS, number 81, set up a screen, almost intercepted. Number 27 for the layup, and for the floater, gain the ball possession. Number 81 has the ball now, full court press. Number 27, mid-range, good. Time remaining 44 seconds. Number 11, layup, good. Seconds remaining in our first quarter. Number 22 has the ball now. What will MMS do? To number 15 for an open three. Bam! Miraculous medals.